So what is Cayosoft Guardian? It's an identity threat detection and response solution plus recovery. So I call it ITDR plus R. So what does it mean? It has threat detection, it has real-time change monitoring, it has the ability to do rollback, as well as it has the ability to recover Active Directory forests and domains as well. And the big thing is it has standby instant forest recovery. Now let's imagine that Active Directory is completely down inside your organization. And now you need to be able to get quickly back up and running. Well, that's where standby forest Active Directory comes into play. So what am I talking about? So let's look at our forest recovery. So we allow you to recover every night based on a schedule or multiple times based on your schedule, a brand new, a standby instant forest inside of either Azure or AWS. So what am I talking about? So let's just go to Azure and see it in live. We have our standby forest ready to go. And all I need to do is power up these domain controllers and basically do some network peering inside of my environment, and I'll be completely up and running inside of the organization.